Who ate my yogurt? Yes, I'm lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone, hopefully you enjoyed this past week's tube trials where I did the challenges. I had fun doing it, hopefully you had fun watching it. And obviously because it was just me, there is no elimination this week, which brings me to the giveaway that I'm doing this episode. So I will be giving away 5 copies of the WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe software. For PC users, this is a lucky one for you PC users out there. But what does it do? Basically, it lets you convert YouTube videos and movies and home videos and all that jazz and put it on your tablets and your phones and your iPads and wherever else you may want to put it, or if you just want to take a YouTube video and put it on your computer. It just lets you do everything. So it's really cool, and I've used it multiple times, especially when I'm going somewhere and I have to fly. Instead of spending $12 on the Wi-Fi on the airplane, I will just put a couple movies on my phone and stare. So it's really great. It works really, really well. And I'm giving 5 copies away to you lucky people. And all you need to do to get a copy is A, have a PC, or a friend that has a PC that you feel like being nice to. And in the comments down below, tell me what you would use the software for. And I'm going to pick my favorite 5, and I will be sending you product codes and links to download the software as soon as I pick them. All the information is in the description down below. Special thanks to the wonderful people at Digiarity for giving me the 5 copies to give to you lovely people. And I look forward to what you would be using the software for. If you want to know more about the software before you enter, please feel free to click the link down below and it will send you right to the page where the software survives and lives on the internet. So yeah, that's everything from me this week. There is no viewer challenge this week. I'm going to hold off until we get back into the swing of things on Monday and next Saturday for those. So be sure to come back on Monday for more tube trials. And I will see you next Saturday for last week's viewer challenge winners. All right, I've been rambling. I will see you guys later. Bye.